And the distance for Fu Manchu, 360.190. 360.190.
Over on the track number 2, we'll start our Hot Farm division. This is Brian McConnell and Milkman's Mojo. This was our points leader in points winner in 2022. Currently number 6. So Brian decided he didn't like that run, so he's going to come back. We'll see if he's going to drop down in the class, if he's going to come back immediately. But getting back to Brian.
Welding Industry. He's from Alliance, Ohio. A 99 Ford F-150 called the Thunder Wagon 2. On deck is Kerry Unger on a T-bucket called Overtime 2. In the hole, Curtis Seacrest on Little Ram. Kerry Unger will be on deck. Overtime 2 out of Eaton. And our puller coming up, Howard Antrim. Here he is, the Thunder Wagon 2. Been pulling two-wheelers for well over 25 years out of Alliance, Ohio. Still the mark to beat. Mindy White. Sauced up a distance of 380.104. The leader at the Kale Marketing Leader flag.
The Red Power Reloaded 1066 International. First time out this year for Carl. Carl was our winner in 2021. He was our points champion. Carl Way, his 1066 Big Daddy. For the first trip down the track this year. Carl Way's Big Daddy, 307.62, 307.62. Tow tractor to the track, tow tractor to the track.
Okay, we just got word, Ultimate Desire unable to come back at the end of the class, so she's going to scratch. That means we only got two two-wheelers to go. And this is Curtis Seacrest, the little Ram coming up. On deck is Dave Laskowski, D&L Trucking. In the lead right now at 398. Kerry Unger on overtime 2. Here comes the little Ram, ladies and gentlemen. Following this class, we'll have the Pro Bell Racing modified tractors. 3 modifieds here tonight. And then our final class, the Coonley Brothers Pro Stock Semis. We got 8
2023, along with Adam Smith. So Kent Wade, Little Bro, International 1066.
Distance for Kent, 346. 346. That's good enough for second place. So currently still number 1 is Dave Ward, red car ready.
Smith with the John Deere. Newcastle in the Getting Lucky Case IH tractor. 324.46. 324.46. Good enough for 4th place right now. Still hold the lead. Also, Dave Walter. Two tractors left to go. Jeremy Bear out of West Middlesex, PA, and International 1066. This is a 466 hot farm tractor, a little bit under fumes for this class, but does very well in this class. So see what he's got. Jeremy Bear. Nice run for Jeremy Bear in that International 1066. 319.33. 319.33. Puts him in the number 5 position right now. So 19.33.
And the distance for D&L Trucking, 347.068. 347.068. And that's gonna wrap up the Ag Protect 1 Crop Insurance 2-wheel drive trucks. Here are the final results, ladies and gentlemen.
2022 champion, points champion right here. So let's see if he has a better run tonight. Wolfman's Mojo. Place, Jeremy.